Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I am going to teach you exactly how you can make the PrivacyWall search engine your home screen or home tab on Google Chrome, for example. It is actually super simple, guys, and I'm going to teach you how to do this step by step. So what you want to do in the first step is head over to PrivacyWall.org here on Google Chrome, for example. And to make PrivacyWall, and as you can see the search engine here, your homepage, simply in the next step click on these three dots in the top right corner to access your browser settings on Chrome. Click on settings here, and inside your browser settings take a look at the panel of tabs on the left hand side where you can, for example, access the appearance settings. And here inside the appearance settings, make sure that the home button is enabled so that you can return to your home screen anytime you click on that home button here in the top left corner of Chrome. And what you want to do after that is simply switch from new tab page to enter custom web address. And what you want to do is simply enter the home address or the web address of PrivacyWall, for example, that search engine here. So head back to PrivacyWall to the home screen, copy the URL here at the top, head back to your appearance settings and paste the address here. And that's basically it. And from now on, you will be redirected to the home page of PrivacyWall here to use the search engine whenever you click on that home button here in the top left corner. As you can see, it works perfectly. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.